Great, so welcome back to grade 8 math. We are now looking at adding fractions that are greater than 1. So let's take this example here of 1 and 2 fifths plus 4 and 2 thirds, which basically means a practical example would mean I have 1 and 2 fifths liters of gasoline and I'm adding that to a tank that has already 4 and 2 thirds liters of gasoline. What would be the combined volume of both containers or of liters? So just as when adding regular, find a common denominator for the fraction part only, add as normal, and then if the sum is greater than 1, carry over the 1 to the whole numbers. So in this example, I have a 1 here and I have a 4. So I'll just separate the two and I'll just add the two fractions as normally. So I have 1 and 2 fifths and 2 thirds. So my common denominator between 5 and 3 is 15. So let's just convert this by multiplying by 3 over 3. So I end up with 1 and 6 over 15 plus, and I multiply this one times 5 over 5 to get the same, to get the equivalent fraction only for the fraction part, not for the whole number, and I get 10 over 15. I add these two together, I keep the whole number separate, so this is 5 and 16 over 15ths. And we know 16 15ths, the way that we can convert that is that this is the same as 5 plus 1 and 1/15th, because I have that 1 extra when I take away 15 from the 16. So when I combine that, I have 6 and 1/15ths is my answer. In the second example, I have 3.5 plus 6 and 5/7. I can try this again exactly in the same procedure. So pause the video so you can try this example on your own. Once you have that, I can convert them to a common denominator of 14. So my common denominator is 14. So which means I need to multiply the 3.5 by 7 over 7. And so that gives me 3 and 7 over 14. Likewise, for the 6 and 5/7, I find the common denominator to be 14. So I times this one by 2 over 2. So I am adding 6 and 10 over 14. So if I combine these two together, I have 9 is my whole number, and then I have 17 over 14 as my fraction. And because 17/14 is improper, I'll convert that to mixed, and that's 1 and 3/14. So combined together, that would be 10 and 3/14. So it's a pretty easy lesson. It's just when you add these extra whole numbers, you just need to keep them on the side and then add them in, treat them as kind of already there, and then if you need to add that extra 1, you'll add that extra 1. So review these problems. There's some other problems in the textbook as well, so hopefully you understood this lesson.